today we are going to be unboxing Baldur Bumper Bite by Takara Tomy.
So without further ado, let's unbox this guy. Okay, so I'll get everything situated and we'll go to the close-up.
Okay, and we are back, guys. I am excited about this guy that I had the opportunity to obtain, Baldur Bumper Bite. So, that's what we're going to be doing this close-up on. So let's start out with the layer. Grab it here. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful crown. It just, words cannot describe how awesome and beautiful design this layer is. I mean, you even got this guy right here, the side part. You can focus a little bit better. Beautiful. Nice engravings. It's the same on every side. Then you have the head.
Listen.
Right here. Love the eyes and just the hair on the back. A beautiful Aztec design for this layer. Wow. Here's the teeth. Beautiful. Pretty sturdy and heavy too. The fact that it has a lot of screws on here. Wow. Gonna set that down now. So then we go on to Bumper. Bumper's another nice Aztec design on this. Beautiful blue. Then we'll go on to Bite. Bite's a very interesting driver. It's very rubbery. So this would be the ideal driver to defend against attack types. But as of right now, attack types aren't that overpowered in the game. So this guy kind of falls short. Not very good on stamina. So kind of a useless driver right now. But in the future, if there becomes a threat for attack types, this might be the only shelter you can go to. Because there's no other rubber ball tip that Takara Tomy has made. Interesting driver, indeed. There we go, the B on there for Bumper. Tomy, Vietnam. Okay, so before we go to the blade all finished, here is the grams for the parts. Okay, here's the grams for the layer. Let it load. 10.3. Okay, here's the grams for the weight disc or bumper. 20.4. Okay, now for the driver. 6.0, okay? Now let's go to the blade all finished. Okay, and we are back, so we'll be doing a test spin here with Baldur Bumper Bite. So, let's start the clock here. Actually, make sure the blade's in the launcher. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
44 seconds.
Okay, so now we're going to be doing a battle between Baldur Bumper Bite versus Amaterios Aero Assault in space. 3, 2, 1. Baldur takes the win. Round 2, 3, 2, 1. Baldur takes it. Round 2. Round 3, 3, 2, 1. Baldur is the winner. And that concludes this unboxing of Baldur Bumper Bite. I am just excited that I had the opportunity to get this guy. It is a beautiful gold compared to Amaterios. It is like the crown for Beyblade Burst. So guys, leave a comment in the comment section of what do you guys think of this design of this Beyblade. And what do you think of my background here, the kind of space theme. I'll be using it in future videos, battling against Shining God MS. I'll be battling Baldur against Shining God MS, and Amaterios versus Shining God MS. So don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. And yeah, this is Blader Zio signing out, and I will see you guys next time.